Hello and welcome back. Let me just check the sound here. Yeah, that's looking fine. It is quite late. I am on full screen. I know I'm on full screen. So today I was unsure whether I should do a pre-scan and then analysis of the trades or just a redraw. And I've decided that a redraw is the most beneficial thing. Because that's what I need and that's what you guys need. Because without a proper draw, there is no proper way to find trades. So we'll get to that. But before we get to that, I'd like to announce that I do have a Discord. If you like this video or this type of content in general, it will be linked in the description below. Nothing there is for sale, nothing is monetized, or anything like that. This is in essence just a trading drill. All right. So let's get to it. Make myself pretty small here. In your corner. Wow. In your corner here. So we're gonna go through the pairs and just paint. And then you can find setups for yourself. I mean, we don't enter on Mondays anyway. Monday candle is closed now, so you can technically enter, but I wouldn't like. I don't sit and wait for that candle to close. I wake up on Tuesday, and then I make my entries from there. So this looks fine. We'll also talk a little bit about. So this is the ATH ones. No, there's not. Or yeah, it's in the ATH pair list, but this one isn't ATH. So these are. This is the closest thing I trust, so it's gonna have to create a new range by itself. These forever going up pairs. Same here. This I think this is the level from the with the tick chart. Yeah, from like 1989 or whatever. Let me just check OBS by the way. Everything is all right. Yeah, looks looking good. Also, I got a new computer now. I can show you guys. I don't have the laptop. I used to have this super loud fucking laptop. Now I got my stationary PC right here. And it's really quiet. It's great. I ordered a new mouse and a keyboard as well. Both wireless. All right, let's get back to the painting. The If you haven't watched any videos before, it was a common complaint. My previous computer sounded like fucking jet taking off, a fighter jet, F-35, going to Iran. Going to Iran in a hurry. Like real hurry. Like you gotta go now. Oh, let me check that the camera is still angled. Oh, I kind of lost angle. Oh, felt good. Thanks a bit. See, does it look? Can you see? Yeah, it looks fine. It's a bit hard with these cameras because it's if I don't get it properly eyelined it, so eyeline centered, my face can easily become blurry. And I'm not adapted to this. I'm not a big YouTuber or whatever. This one is not just. I'm gonna mark this one. We'll talk about this one. I can't just ignore that one. Keep in mind though, anything I mark here from now on, as I did post in the Discord, I have hit my monthly max for the month. As you can see here, I don't go above 10%. I mean, I don't let trades run above 10%. This specific incident was the oil one where I didn't have any exposure to it, so it doesn't matter. But yeah, I don't trade beyond 10%. So I can't trade till Friday, and I don't trade on Friday. So realistically, next week, 6 days. And there isn't like in my strat, there isn't a trading ban on Monday. Just so you know, I want that to be clear. But the win rate is lower on Monday. It's quite. It's like considerably lower as well. So my overall win rate, like I've been posting and showing you guys through HyperX, the model it runs the same type of shit basically. So as you guys know, if you're following HyperX, I'm right above 80%, like 82% or so. And it drops by about 30% through back testing, is what I've noticed on Mondays. Don't know why, no fucking clue. But if I enter a trade on Monday, the win rate is like 52%. Any other day, 82. 82 is still profitable when we're running like an average R of 3 because you're using a dynamic, you're moving your sell offs, you're doing all that kind of stuff. You enter on a 2.0 R if you're WT, or 1.5 minimum if you're CT, and anything in between if the range doesn't fit it, that kind of stuff. And you rarely take full losses, so I mean you're gonna get into the 3.5. I don't know what my R is. I'm not gonna check either. I think it's like 3.5, 4. I don't know. Changes a lot because I'm just using the HyperX stats right now. It's the easiest. Because the stats from my main account have been kind of corrupted by it being so old, you know? The account is from the IC Markets account is from 2000 and I believe 2015. So 11 years old. The main account. And I've never blown it, so I'm on the same account. And the stats don't change anymore. I have like 30,000 trades or something like that. 20,000. No idea. I haven't checked. So if I win constantly or lose constantly, it doesn't change. But with HyperX now, the new hedge fund model we got here, we can see Wagwan. But yeah, the point was that Mondays are worse. But they're not bad in that sense. But I just don't do it. It's so annoying. It's a psychological thing to lose. Okay, so there's another one, those ATH ones. This one is looking interesting as well. I'm gonna mark that. But keep in mind, I will not be entering any of these myself because I'm at the limit. No. So this repainting actually turned into a setup scan. Huh. It seems that faith was set in stone here. Wow, that's a cross parallel. I know you're seeing the BOs too. Mm-hmm. It's just consolidation. This is just consolidation. Mm. But the candle is so fresh. Okay. So we're talking here now. Yeah, we are. And we don't have it on gold at all. Gold turns around quick. If you can catch a regular CR with gold, you're pretty lucky. We don't get a lot of those. And you got to be wary of the long bias on it. Like when that shit is beating SPY periodically, it's tough to go long on the 1 day. Because we're on the long 1 day here. It would be like going short on SPY for SPY to go down for a week. That'll be tough, bro. On this, that'll be tough. This piece of shit gaps all the time, though. That's why we don't trade it. Look at the trend. Yeah, ATH is fuck. All right, so let's look at. We found the de facto max amount of setups that I can possibly enter as well. So there's a lot of really nice entries here. As you can see, there is everything's been repainted and adjusted. There wasn't too much to paint, but here we have a BO forming right now. This one you can enter really, really soon. As for this pair right here, I'd be looking for the same. Here, the opportunity, you can see it's developing right in front of you. Here, there's a continuation downwards. You just imagine a reverse CR like that. Oh, fuck. Like that with the 200 MA with the support above as well. So I'd let this be somewhat of a bigger trade. You don't need to go for the 2R even though the range allows it. You can go in the middle somewhere. That's what I would do. You can put in a stop order for this one. So it's looking nice. Continuation downwards. I'll mark this one. And right here for same continuation upwards. It's forming right now. This one you'd have to hop down on the 8 hour, and it's valid there. Remind you, or keep in mind that the win rate is lower the lower you hop on the time frame. So on the 1 day is when we have the highest win rate. It's that good old 80 something. 12 hour, it drops a little bit, not that much, a touch below 80. I believe it's like 77, 78. But then for the 8 hour, it's like 60%. But 60% is still profitable. And here we would be looking for a CR on gold of some sort. Some ability to go long. And that should summarize everything neatly, cleanly, and nicely. So if you like the video, thank you for watching. Again, I do have the Discord linked in the description below. It's free to join. Nothing there is monetized or anything like that. And as you might have noticed, unless you have YouTube Premium, I don't even have ads on the videos. So that said, thank you for watching, and bye-bye.